how to live a Life 360 circle. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to live a Life 360 circle. In order to live a Life 360 circle, first thing first, make sure that the device is connected to an internet service, and after that go ahead and open up your Life 360. After that, it's going to direct you to the home page, and over here make sure that you're logged into a correct circle. So in order to select the circle, click on the arrow icon located right on top, and you'll be able to see multiple circles that is available on your account. After that, once you're logged in with your correct circle or the particular circle that you want to leave, click on the gear icon, and this is going to take you to the settings page. Click on circle management. As soon as you click on circle management, go ahead and click on leave circle, which is right at the bottom. If you want to leave the circle, click on the yes button, and as soon as you've done that, you'll have left the circle. And now you can continue doing the same procedure for rest of the other circle. In this way you can leave Life 360 circle. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.